Hi, in this video session I am going to explain exercise 8.2 of class 10 CBSE mathematics. So in this first question, evaluate following. They are given 5 questions. In these two questions, sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60 and 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. First, already we know the table. That table sin 60. So I am writing again sin 60 cos 30 sin 30 cos 60 sin 30 cos 60. So here sin 60 means root 3 by 2. This is root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is same denominators are same. So LCM is 4. So 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 4, that is 1. Same as here also. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. 2 tan square means tan 45 means 1. Sorry, tan 45 means 1. Tan square 45, 1 square. So here root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. Cos 30 sin. So these two are same. You can cancel. So 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 into 1, that is 2. So follow the table. According to table, you can substitute the values. In these 2, 3 and 4 questions, see cos 45 means you rewrite this question cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Cos 45 means 1 by root 2 by, put in the brackets because there is the numerator fraction. So secant 30. Secant 30 means cos 30 the reciprocal. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. So secant 30 means 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30. Cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 means it is 2 because sin 30 is 1 by 2. So that cosecant 30 is 2. So 2 by 1, let it be 2 by 1, no problem. Now 1 by root 2, this is the denominator, sorry, numerator. 2 by root 3 means 2 root 3 into 2, 2 root 3. So 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. Just like a mixed fraction, sir. You can try like this. Root 3 into 2, 2 root 3 plus 2. That means 2 plus 2 root 3 by. Now it is reciprocal. So 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 common 1 plus root 3. So you can rewrite this one root 3 by 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3. 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3. You can write like this. Otherwise you can solve again, you can solve but time waste. So just you write up to here only. Now this one sin 30 means 1 by 2, tan 45 1, cosecant 60 2 by root 3 because sin reciprocal by secant 30 is 2 by root 3, secant 30 2 by root 3, cos 60 1 by 2 plus 1. Here numerator is 2, here 1 in root 3. So 2 root 3 is the LCM by. So here 2, how many times of 2 is 2 root 3 means root 3, root 3 ones are root 3. Here 1 is there, so directly you can write 2 root 3 minus root 3, so 2 2s are 4 by. Again here also 2 root 3 LCM. So root 3, so 2 here 4 plus these 2 root 3 minus plus 2 root 3. So denominator cancel. So you can see this answer, root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 by, you leave like this, no problem, 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So finally root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3, 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 minus 4 by 4 plus 3 root 3. 4 plus 3 root 3. Like this you can complete this answer. So here I am writing, sir. Screen will be down. Here 3 root 3 minus 4 by 4 plus 3 root 3. 4 plus 3 root 3. You can write like this. In this question, 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Here 5 into cos square 60. Cos square 60 means 1 by 2 whole square plus secant 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 is 1, so 1 square by this one is sin 30 means 1 by 2 whole square. So this one is cos 30 means root 3 by 2 whole square. Here 5 into 1 by 4 plus this is 4 2 square means 4 4s are 16 by 3 minus 1. So this is entirely in numerator. These two 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. You can write directly. This is 1 by 1/4 and 3/4 means 1 only. Here 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 whole by 1 plus 3 by 4. This one is 12 is the, because this one is 1. You can write otherwise 4 by 4. This is the 12. So 5 3s are 15 plus 4 16s are 64 minus 12 ones are 12. So this is 1. So 15 3 so 67 by 12 is the answer. 16 by 12 is the answer. In the second question, choose the correct option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. So 2 tan 30 means 2 into tan 30 table 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. So 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. So this is 2 by root 3 into 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. So 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So that here 3 can be written root 3 into root 3 by root 3 into 2. So root 3 cancel, root 3 by 2. Check these answers in options: sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sin 30. So sin 60 answer is root 3 by 2. So option is A. Option is A. Because root 3 by 2 only for sin 60. Cos 60 means 1 by 2 and tan 60 means root 3 by 2. Sorry, root 3 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. Next question. Second question is like this. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. So already you know that tan 45 means 1 square by 1 plus 1 square. That is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. That is 0 by 2. That is 0. So tan 90 is infinity. 1 is there. Sin 45 is there. So D option is D. So option is D. Next, third question. sin 2a equal to 2 sin a is true when a equal to, so four options are there: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Suppose a equal to, option A, suppose a equal to 0, so sin 2 into 0 equal to 2 into sin 0. So sin 0 means 0, 2 into 0 means 0, so sin 0 equal to 2 sin 0, that is 0. So sin 0 equal to 0, 0 and 2 into 0, so this is the option A is the correct. Suppose if you are putting sin 30 here, for example, here 30 will be there, so 2 sin 30. Now 2 into 30 means sin 60. Here 2 into half. Sin 60 means root 3 by 2, not equal to 2 to cancel 1. So option B is failed. Same as option C also failed. That's why answer is A. Answer is A. Third question is over. Fourth question. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square. So 2 tan 30, 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. That means 2 by root 3 into 3 ones are 3 minus 1, 2 by 3, that means 3 by 2. 3 3 cancel, or 3 can be written in the form of root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel, root 3 will be there. So you are going to relocate that root 3 value. Cos 60, sin 60, tan 60 and sin 30. So tan 60 is root 3. So option C. This one is option C. In this question, if tan a plus b equal to root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, they are given one condition: 0 less than a plus b less than 90. So and a greater than b, and a greater than b. So find a and b. Find a and b. Here first you conclude like this: a tan a plus b solution. I am writing. Given tan a plus b equal to root 3, so tan a plus b equal to tan 60 degrees, because root 3 is tan 60. In both sides tan is there, so remove tan. Don't cancel because there is no product, they are not products, so okay, remove tan on both sides, so that a plus b equal to 60 degrees. This is one. Next one is tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. They are given. So tan a plus a minus b equal to tan 30 degrees. So remove again. You write remove tan on both sides. Don't cancel because these two are not product. Okay, already in 8 point before exercise we one question we discussed, so that here a minus b equal to 30 degrees. This is, so from 1 and 2 we are going to solve. A plus b equal to 60, a minus b equal to 30. So b cancel by adding. So by adding no changes, only plus minus, these two are cancelled. 2a equal to 90, so a equal to 45 degrees. So what is a plus b equal to 60, 45 plus 50, b equal to 60, so b equal to 60 minus 45, that is 50. So a value is 45, b value is 60. Like these questions They are asking, so every time you are going to interchange the changing of angles and solve like this. Okay. In this fourth question, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answers. So first question is given, sin a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b. Sin a plus sin b. So it is false, because suppose if you take one angle that is 30 degrees and b as a 60 degrees. So what is sin a plus b? 30 plus 60. That is sin 90. Sin 90 means 1. Same answer you will hear also. So please see whether it is true or false. Sin 30 plus sin 60. 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. So 2 is the answer, LCM, and 1 plus root 3. 1 plus root 3 by 2. So both are not equal. That's why it is false. So actually this is the compound angles, that is sin a plus b equals sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, like this one formula. Later videos we are going to discuss. So a equal to, this is the counterpart. This is what we are going to give an example. In this second question, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Example, we are taking directly table. So sin 0 means 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, that is 0.5, sin 45 1 by root 2, same as sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1. So it is increasing order. It is in increasing order. Suppose if you take cos theta, that is decreasing order. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. So this is false. This is true, but this is false. Why? See, it starts with 1 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 0 is 0. So decreasing order. So totally it is false. So the value of cos theta increases, theta increases means theta decreases is the correct, theta increases means it is false. This is the third question. In fourth question, cos theta equal to sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. So that is false, because theta, when it happens, the value of theta will be 45 only. It happens, not for all values. Sin 30, this is the fourth question, cos theta. So it is false, sin theta equal to cos theta, when the question is like this, for all values of theta. For all values of theta means it is false, purely false, because if theta is sin 30 equal to cos 30, for example, sin 30 means 1 by 2, cos 30 means root 3 by 2. It is not possible. It is not possible. Only when it is possible, it happens only sin 45 and cos 45. Only it happens here only. Sin 45, cos 45. It happens here, that is 1 by root 2 equal to 1 by root 2. This part only. Because they are asking for all. So sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. That means you take 0, 30, 60, 90, anything. So both are equal. It is not possible. When it is possible means theta equal to 45 only. This one only. So if you take sin 30 equal to sin cos 30, it is not possible. Because 1 by 2 is not equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. In this last question, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. So cot A reciprocal is tan A. Suppose tan, if you take tan A, tan 0 tan 0 means 0, sin 0. So cot A means 1 by tan A, that is 1 by 0. Because tan 0, we are taking that here cot 0 degrees means 1 by tan 0 degrees, that is 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is not defined, so that it is true. So this is 8.2 exercise problems. In next video, I am going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, thank you.